Hi guys, it's me. If you want to buy this 21EN-00200 monitor display panel compatible with Hyundai R130W3, R160LC3, R200W3, and R250LC3 excavators, then please visit the link provided in the description. Let's get into something that doesn't usually show up in everyday tech reviews but makes a huge difference for people working in construction, heavy equipment operations, and industrial environments. This is the 21EN-00200 replacement monitor display panel, designed specifically to restore or upgrade the control interface of several Hyundai Excavator models. And while it may look simple from the outside, this unit is one of the most important components when it comes to machine communication, performance accuracy, and operational safety. One of the first things to notice is how the panel is engineered for real job site conditions. It's not made to look pretty, it's made to survive. The casing feels solid, and every seam and edge suggests durability. Dust, vibration, temperature swings, and constant movement inside an excavator cabin are normal, so the panel needs to hold up under pressure. This one does exactly that with a rugged build that feels purpose-built. When powering it up, the display immediately shows its clarity. Information appears sharp, and the backlight brightness is strong enough to remain readable even in direct sunlight. Many older factory panels struggle with dimming or flickering over time, but this upgraded replacement uses improved lighting, giving operators consistent visibility during long shifts. Whether it's hydraulic data, error codes, system warnings, or fuel metrics, everything shows up cleanly without strain. Compatibility is one of the biggest advantages here. This unit is designed as a direct replacement for the original Hyundai monitors, so installation does not require rewiring or modification. The screw placements match perfectly, and the connectors slide into place with no resistance. This saves a tremendous amount of time, especially for equipment owners who can't afford long downtime. You remove the failing or damaged monitor, mount this one, connect the cables, and the excavator system recognizes it immediately. Once the screen is active, the interface feels responsive. Menus load quickly, switching between screens is smooth, and the communication with the machine's ECU stays stable. This is essential because operators depend on real-time data to make quick, accurate decisions. A lagging or unstable display can cause mistakes, slow down the workflow, or even lead to mechanical issues going unnoticed. This updated panel eliminates that worry by giving dependable feedback every second. Durability goes beyond the housing. The internal components are secured to withstand rough conditions like continuous vibration from heavy digging and uneven terrain. The anti-vibration structure protects the circuit board and connectors from long-term wear. The panel is also sealed well enough to reduce dust penetration, which is one of the most common causes of failure in old excavator monitors. Another strong point is the improved power efficiency. Older panels often draw more power than necessary, and over time that strains the machine's electrical system. This updated monitor is optimized to deliver stable performance while consuming less energy. Small enhancements like this aren't always noticed immediately, but they matter in the long run, especially for fleets operating multiple machines daily. Operators will also appreciate the sharp contrast and uniform brightness across the screen. Even after hours of use, it stays clear and readable. Whether the job takes place in bright daylight or late evening, the visibility remains intact. This is crucial for noticing warning signals in real time. If a system overheats, a hydraulic issue occurs, or a component needs attention, the operator sees it instantly. The early detection helps avoid downtime and costly repairs. This replacement monitor is not just about restoring functionality. It's about making the machine feel more modern and responsive. A faulty or outdated monitor slows everything down. Data becomes unreliable, alerts become unclear, and operators need to spend extra time checking the machine manually. Upgrading to this 21EN-00200 panel brings back confidence behind the controls. So if the monitor in your Hyundai R130W3, R160LC3, R200W3, or R250LC3 excavator has been glitching, fading, cracking, or refusing to turn on, replacing it with this unit is one of the best ways to get the machine running smoothly again. It restores all essential display features, improves clarity, and ensures accurate readings from the ECU. If you want to buy this 21EN-00200 monitor display panel compatible with Hyundai R130W3, R160LC3, R200W3, and R250LC3 excavators, then please visit the link provided in the description.